be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
in 2 minutes. So the study that I did was the antipsychotic potential of salixmophronata on ketamine-induced Rett's.
No, you went from there, see on Netflix, see coffee, eating. Mama ngubane lo muntu lo omthembile ukuthi uzongibheka uthe mebona ikangaroo angimazi nokuthi ufike nini le wangishiya ngemuva
Kodwa kuhlela kuqala